life-threatening a bomb cyclone.
We shall see. Will we end up in the bomb cyclone?
The boxes were right here, storm warnings.
It's freezing out here. So we're heading out on a Jeep road trip from Georgia to Colorado.
And the crazy thing is there's a possibility of a bomb cyclone as we're traveling out there. When I was a kid, we just called them snowstorms, but now they call them bomb cyclones.
No, it actually says a bomb cyclone that is bringing in a blizzard.
Investors are talking about life-threatening a bomb cyclone as well.
It means Mother Nature means business. Denver might have their coldest day in 32 years.
So right now the weather here in Georgia is rainy, really cold actually, and kind of sleety outside. So I guess that maybe is a precursor to the bomb cyclone blizzard. So excited, so scared. So we're not gonna be afraid, and we're still gonna go, and we're taking the Jeeps and we're driving out there. Our family is coming with us.
Just jumped up on me.
Aww.
I'm Taylor. I'm the sad one.
I'm Eric. I'm the adopted one.
I'm Kenzie. I'm the favorite.
I'm Sean. I'm soon to join.
And Coda! And we're heading all the way out to Colorado in the Jeeps. So before we get started on this blizzard adventure, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give the video a like too. Are you guys excited? Yay! We're so excited. We gotta get going. We got a long drive. This is what happens to the seating arrangements for the kids when you get a golden doodle. How much legroom you got?
A whole lot, nothing.
I'm pretty sure he has the best seat in the house. I wonder if we're gonna hit a blizzard.
It's a bomb cyclone, baby.
And we're already running behind.
We can't even get there in a light sprinkle.
No blizzard noted, no snow, no nothing.
Bomb cyclone.
However, that's where it can trick you, because you'll think that nothing's gonna happen and that everything's fine, and 2 seconds later, I hope we do have some snow, because we need snow. And I'm not worried a bit about the bomb cyclone. And the fact that we're having to travel up a mountain, and it might be really icy, and it might be really scary, and we might go off the side of the mountain and my children are in a car behind us. That doesn't worry me, because I'm going to be free. So I was telling Taylor and Eric to stop the little Debbie truck to look for the Christmas trees, because there's no Christmas trees available right now. You can't find little Debbie Christmas trees. And there was a little Debbie truck in front of them, and they went off the wrong way. They followed the little Debbie truck and went towards Alabama instead of continuing on the road they were supposed to. So now we're gonna have to meet up somewhere. We are in Tennessee. Woo! One state down, ready to go. We should sing Christmas songs.
You know Dasher and Dancer
And Prancer,
and Vixen,
Donner,
Comet and Cupid.
I don't know that song. How about something easier like "We Wish You a Merry Christmas"? So what do you do? Comment below and tell us what you do when you're on a road trip to pass the time, and make it an adventure rather than just driving. Coda's getting kind of tired of being in the car, and we have these pulley sticks that he loves. I'm not even going to tell you what it is. It's gross. So I found something really great since traveling with Coda, and that is that Love's gas station has a dog park. Really great when we have to let Coda out, but it's still really cold here. But no sign of the blizzard yet, except for that blizzard that's running around the dog park. One bad thing is that there's always poops. No one picks up their dog's poop. So last night we had a little snafu, because we got to the hotel and we did not have a reservation, which we thought we had a reservation. So somehow our reservation got canceled. So we got a reservation, but what happened to the days when hotels were $50? $50 a night.
Not even close.
It was $50 for Coda. And so far, no blizzard.
No blizzards yet. No bomb cyclone yet.
To be real honest, as I get older, I get a little more nervous about things. So I do get a little bit nervous about driving in bad conditions. But so far, it's been great. Weather looks good, but we shall see. Will we end up in the bomb cyclone? But doesn't stop us from doing all the things.
That's right. We're gonna go have fun, and we are going to travel
And be
through this
free.
cold weather and be free. So if you look at the map here, the weather map, we just missed this storm front came down behind us. So luckily we missed all that precipitation. We're starting to see just a little bit of precipitation start to coagulate on the window. The boxes were right here are storm warnings.
Fargo right now is 21 degrees below zero, and that's headed our direction. We're going from feeling like 42 to 19 below zero in just about 6 hours.
We're definitely starting to come into the bad weather now. We're starting to see more precipitation in the air, ice on the trees, signs that say roads may be icy. It's freezing out here.
Really cool. Every couple hours you got to take coat out and run them. Get them going. So we had dodged a bullet with some of the precipitation, but now just to the west of the boxes where the warnings are, we're seeing the satellite picking up more precipitation as well. And that wasn't there just a minute ago, right in here. So we're driving along and we're in like some cold weather and it's cloudy and dusty, kind of a little bit of precipitation. We come out of it, it's sunny, it warms up to 44. Then I drive kind of back into this cloud where the warm front and the cold front meet. It actually dropped 20 degrees in 5 miles. It went from 44 to 24 within the first 5 miles, and now I've probably got another 7 or 8 and it's down to 21 degrees. So apparently this is all part of that bomb cyclone thing where it just drops the temperature really, really quickly. Let me take you outside. This is ridiculous.
Real quick.
Okay, so now it's down to 10 degrees. We're getting gas and it's blowing so freaking cold. There's a good 30, 40 mile an hour gusts. And at 10 degrees, when you've got that, the wind chill factor is way, way, way down there. I can't even stand out here. Yeah. I grew up in the Arctic, otherwise known as Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan.
Tell them about it.
And this is, yeah, wow, bad.
I'm not getting out. I'm just not gonna get out. It's way too cold.
It is really cold. Like, it is bone crushing cold because the wind is blowing so hard.
It's 10. It's gone from 47 to 10 in a matter of 30 minutes. So we are officially hitting the bad weather, the blizzard.
We're gonna have to crack out the ski jackets as soon as we get to the hotel. And if Coda has to go out to the bathroom, we're gonna have to have his boots, his jacket, all his stuff on him because even you know, his belly is bare skin, and in about 10 minutes it can cause frostbite.
We made it, and now it's starting to blizzard, and it's okay because we're here. And now we are headed to In-N-Out Burger, which is a Colorado thing.
I'll do a number 2 with the burger animal style and just fries regular. Okay. And then could I also get a ham shake?
We're at In-N-Out Burger, but I'm cold. So In-N-Out Burger is famous in Colorado, so we're here having dinner tonight because we made it here, and we ordered off of the secret menu. I'm not even gonna tell you about it, you just got to find it out. The lemonade with 0 sugar. I'm so excited, and it's huge.
Did y'all get large drinks?
I'm so excited to be in Colorado. I feel like it's coming home when we go to Frisco.
Oh, larky.
It's mine.
This is an In-N-Out burger. It's got special sauce on it called animal sauce. So good. These are the animal style fries, which have cheese and a special sauce and fried onions, all in a delicious mess of fry. We made it before the blizzard. It's snowing now and it's beautiful. We just filled our bellies with In-N-Out burger, and just was a reminder, even though I was nervous, we're all here, so don't forget, it's always better to be free.
Be free, baby.
And I feel like I have to go to the bathroom already.
Good thing we catheterized you before you left.
That's weird.
I got a pimple right there. It's a sad day. Be this old and have a pimple.
Who's excited to be here? Me. Delish.
Gas prices are expensive out here. 314. 35 cents.
14!
Oh, good Lord, she scared me.
We gotta get out of Kansas. Are we still in Kansas?
I think so.
We gotta get out of Kansas. We're not at home anymore.
We're not.
Coda?
Coda.